Welcome to my channel. This is my review of Botanic's 100% pure shea butter. It's a premium West African fair trade shea butter from Ghana. It's handcrafted to maintain the highest concentration of vitamins and other naturally nourishing ingredients. The butter comes in a cardboard box with 500 grams of shea butter packed in a Ziploc. You can cut pieces and put them in a container to keep the butter fresh. The butter lasts a long time and a little goes a long way. Shea butter has been used in Africa for hundreds of years. It's naturally rich in vitamin A, D, E. Shea butter comes from the nuts of karité trees that grow in the Sahel region, extending from West to East Africa, from Guinea and Senegal to Uganda and South Sudan. It's rich in fatty acids and it's an excellent moisturizer. Shea butter is used for dry skin, dry hair, skin rashes, small skin wounds, stretch mark prevention during pregnancy, frostbites, insect bites, skin cracks, blemishes and wrinkles, after tanning, for itchy skin, sunburn, muscle fatigue and aches and tension, skin allergies, eczema, dermatitis, and more. This shea butter has a beige to yellow color appearance. It smells a bit strong, so I mix it with other oils like peppermint oil. I use it on my whole body, on my hair, skin, even my lips. The shea butter becomes softer as you rub it into your skin. It really keeps my skin hydrated for hours. When my heels are dry and cracked, I massage my feet with 1 to 2 tablespoons of shea butter and cover my feet with tin socks overnight. You can make homemade products with this butter like a natural moisturizer, lotion bar, lip balm, body butter, sugar scrub, and more. I made my own shea body butter adding some carrier oils and essential oils. I also made shaving cream and it was really smooth. To make a DIY face mask, I use 1 tablespoon of this butter with 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 3 drops of almond oil. I make sure that the ingredients are well mixed and spread it all over my face. I leave the mask on for about 10 to 12 minutes. I finish by cleansing my face with warm water. It keeps my skin moisturized, especially during winter when I need it the most. I was able to lighten my stretch marks area with this butter. I was doing daily massages and I saw results after 2 weeks. I was really consistent. When my scalp is itchy, I rub a little bit of this butter and it relieves the itch without leaving a greasy residue. When I have nasal congestion, I apply a little bit of this shea butter in my nostrils and it clears my stuffy nose quickly. I found this idea online when I was desperate for a quick relief. This butter is unrefined. Unrefined shea butter is traditionally crafted. There are slight variations in color, texture, scent, and other characteristics between batches of unrefined shea butter. Refined shea butter undergoes a process that can include heating, bleaching, and deguming to create a consistent product. The color of refined shea butter is white. It has no natural scent and it has a uniform texture. There are grades of shea butter. This one is grade A. It's raw, unrefined, extracted from the African shea nut using water. It retains much of its natural properties that are partially lost in lower grades or as part of any additional processing. Grade B is refined. Grade C is highly refined and extracted with solvents such as hexane. Grade D is the lowest uncontaminated grade. Grade E has contaminants. According to UN.org, shea butter has been called woman's gold for centuries, not only because of its rich golden color, although shea butter can also sport a deep ivory hue depending on the region, but also because it primarily provides employment and income to millions of women across the continent. The best way to store 100% pure shea butter is to store it in a cool environment in an airtight container and keep it away from the sun. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer it. And also feel free to comment about your experience with this project or your concerns. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have other reviews coming soon. Have a wonderful day.